North Carolina is a state of numerous differences, with beaches, forests, and mountains, as well as conservative and liberally inclined towns and cities tucked away among them. The Tar Heel State is a wonderful destination to visit with amazing outdoor activities, interesting places to discover, and of course, traditional Southern charm. The Piedmont region is made up of rolling hills and productive crops, despite the fact that its shoreline is home to numerous barrier islands. The stunning Blue Ridge Mountains in the west have the tallest peaks east of the Mississippi. Here are some of North Carolina's top tourist destinations. Number 5. Chimney Rock State Park. Around 25 miles from the town of Asheville, Chimney Rock State Park is home to miles of hiking trails and the stunning 400-foot Hickory Nut Falls. Of course, the enormous monolith known as Chimney Rock, which offers breathtaking views of the environs, is the most well-known location in this state park. To get to the summit of the chimney, guests can either take the 26-story elevator or the 500 steps. Number 4. Raleigh. With a big city feel and plenty of southern charm, Raleigh continues to grow in stature and popularity. Visitors can make the most of the modern amenities while never being too far from nature. As the capital of North Carolina, Raleigh is home to some of the state's best museums and galleries. The cultural experiences, along with sporting events and local markets within the downtown core, means there's plenty of things to do in Raleigh. However, Raleigh refuses to overgrow to surrounding natural areas, leading to trails, parks, and an abundance of outdoor adventures. Number 3. Hanging Rock State Park. Near Winston-Salem, this magnificent park offers tourists over 18 miles of trails ranging in difficulty from moderate to difficult, as well as a lake that is ideal for boating, fishing, and swimming. It is renowned for its breathtaking quartzite ridges and formations, including the Devil's Chimney and the titular Hanging Rock. There are also some lovely waterfalls throughout the park. 10 cottages, as well as a campground for tents and trailers, are accessible to tourists who want to camp in Hanging Rock State Park. Number 2. Old Salem. A replica of life in the Winston-Salem region of North Carolina during the 18th and 19th centuries, Old Salem is a living museum. Visitors can observe and experience firsthand the culture and varied trades of the Moravian settlers who resided in this region by interacting with the reenactors at Old Salem and traversing the streets of this National Historic Landmark. Visitors to Old Salem, for instance, can see shoemakers, gunsmiths, and tailors while they work on their specialized services or produce their unique goods. Number 1. Asheville. Asheville is known for being a vibrant, artistic community and is located in the stunning Blue Ridge foothills. Numerous local artists, boutiques, bars, and delicious restaurants can be found in the town center. Asheville's general creative atmosphere is only enhanced by strolling musicians and street entertainers. The renowned Biltmore Estate is also conveniently accessible to the city. The biggest privately owned home in the United States, this chateau-styled mansion was constructed between 1889 and 1895 and receives almost 1.5 million visitors annually. So, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and get ready to be inspired as we take you on a virtual tour through the 9 mesmerizing states of America. Let's explore, let's discover, and let's create memories that will last a lifetime.